Dave here at SOM Trailer Sales, somtrailers.com. Do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. You get instant notifications for all the trailers we post here. Got a 2019 Cimarron 6-horse trainer trailer. The stock number 2049. 8 wide, 7.6 tall, 30 foot on the floor. It's a nice one-owner trailer we took in on trade here. It's got drops on the head, drops on the rump, hay pod, Tandem 8K axles with hydraulic brakes. Take a look up in the dressing room here. Got some shelving, some more hooks, clothes hanging right up there. Boot box down here. Got your mangers. Pretty clean trailer. It's got a couple scratches on the manger doors. Got a closed hay pod, aluminum wheels. It's got 18 Ply Michelin tires under it. That's actually an angled pull-out ladder. Lays right down on the ramp. It's got a collapsible rear tack. These lined and insulated, padded gates. It's got the OptiBright lights in here. Real nice option. Full floor stud divider, two-way vents. Flow through gates. Rubber's pretty clean. There's a spot that's got a wear mark on it down there. Some LED load lights. It's got a nice big trainer tack on it. Tons of hooks in this tack room here. 8 saddle racks, 10 blanket racks. Everything's nice and clean over here, no dents or scratches on this side. You got your Michelin, it's a 245/70 hydraulic jack. That's your hydraulic brake actuator. This trailer's serviced, detailed, ready to use. Give us a call, check us out at somtrailers.com, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.